Hello students, today we'll start with the four factors that affect individual demand of a commodity. Earlier we have discussed about price of the commodity, price of related good and income of the consumer. So the fourth factor that affect individual demand is taste and preference of the consumer. By taste and preference I mean to say if the consumer is liking that good or not. For example, there can be a person who is enjoying having ice cream, but it is not preferable by someone else. So according to the first person, he'll prefer ice cream, whereas according to the second person, he won't prefer ice cream for consumption. So this is what we are talking about under this head, that a particular good is preferable to the consumer or is not preferable to the consumer. It means that is that good according to the taste of the consumer or it is against the taste of the consumer. It can also be related with fashion, that if a particular thing is trending currently or is out of the trend. For example, if some check shirt is in trend, then it will be having a favorable demand because everybody will like that product because it is in trend or in fashion. Then it will be according to the taste and preference of the consumers. Whereas if it is out of fashion, then that particular good will be having an unfavorable demand. That means that it is out of fashion, that's why nobody is wanting that particular kind of product. So it is out of the taste and preference of the consumer. So under this head we have two aspects. Either the good will be favorable to the consumer or it will be unfavorable to the consumer. If it is according to the taste or preference of the consumer, then it will be favorable, and if it is against the taste and preference of the consumer, then it will be unfavorable to the consumer. So this should be kept in mind while answering this question. So let's see what will happen if the consumer is having the commodity which is in favor of the consumer. So if the consumer is having a favorable demand of the commodity, then with the same price, there will be a rightward shift in the demand curve. So फेवरेबल है, इसका मतलब क्या है, कंज्यूमर उस गुड को परचेज करना चाहता है या उस गुड को और ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करना चाहता है. So if the consumer is consuming that good, it means that there will be an increase in demand, and whenever there is an increase in demand, the demand curve shift towards its right. So whenever a good is having a favorable demand, then there will be a rightward shift in the demand of the commodity, or we can say that there will be an increase in demand of the good. So this will be the case if the good is according to the taste and preference of the consumer. It means that the good is having a favorable response of the consumer. Whereas if the good is having an unfavorable response, which means that it is out of the taste and preference of the consumer, then it will be opposite of this, which means that with the same price, there will be a decrease in demand. Decrease in demand means the other things are equal, but due to unfavorable taste and preference of the consumer, there is decrease in demand of the commodity, which means that there will be a leftward shift in the demand of the good. It will be a case when a good is out of the taste and preference of the consumer. Then in that case there will be a leftward shift in the demand curve, and at the same price the quantity of the demand will decrease. Yani there will be a decrease in demand of the good. Let's see the cases according to the graph. So let's take price of the good as Px and demand of the good as Dx. So the initial price of the good is 10 and the initial demand for the commodity is 15. So at 10 price, the demand of the commodity was 15. So we have a demand curve as DD. If the good is having a favorable taste and preference for the consumer, then the consumer is ready to purchase more of that good. So there will be an increase in demand. Say at the same price, due to favorable taste and preference, the demand of the commodity increases from 15 to 20. So this will cause a rightward shift in the demand curve. And we get a new demand curve as D1, D1, and you can see there is a rightward shift. Again, if that good is not having a favorable taste and preference for the consumer, then there will be a decrease in demand. Say at the same price, the demand of the commodity decreases to 10 due to unfavorable taste and preference. Then there will be a leftward shift in the demand curve. So rightward shift when there is a favorable demand, and leftward shift when there is an unfavorable demand for the commodity. So this is the basic concept of taste and preference. If a consumer is having a favorable taste, then he or she will purchase more of that good at the same price, and due to that there will be an increase in demand which causes a rightward shift in the demand curve. Whereas if the consumer is having an unfavorable taste and preference for a commodity, this will cause a reduction in the consumption of the quantity. Therefore, there will be a decrease in demand and the demand curve will shift towards its left, and will be having a decrease in demand for that particular commodity at the same price. So this was the concept of taste and preference as the fourth factor that affect individual demand.